At the airport, I am creating an immersive glass installation that will be surrounding the escalators in Concourse C. The piece is titled Cascadia. The imagery is based off of photographs that I've taken of the Pacific Northwest. I construct images through a reduction of simple basic forms and marks. I am translating and trying to communicate a landscape space that's somewhere between actual and virtual. It will be 22 panels, and it wraps around the entire opening in the floor, with just openings for, going down the escalator and returning back up the escalators.
I've seen the samples and some of the way the color and the glass work, and I think it's going to completely glow.
I think the idea is, even if you're passing through, that there is some reference to kind of this majestic landscape that we are literally surrounded by in Seattle. To be selected as one of the artists to represent the region, again, is a total honor.